안녕하세요, 여러분. Hi, everyone, and welcome back to Hangul Chats Podcast, where we learn Korean slowly, naturally, and in a fun story-style way. In today's episode, I'll take you through 30 must-know Korean vocabulary words that every beginner should learn. These words are part of my own daily practice, and they've helped me build strong Korean sentences from the start. If you're ready to grow your Korean vocabulary and start recognizing more Korean in K-dramas, K-pop, or even everyday life, grab a notebook or just relax and repeat after me. Let's go.
Hello. 안녕하세요. 안녕하세요.
Thank you.
감사합니다. 감사합니다.
Yes.
No.
아니요. 아니요.
I'm sorry.
죄송합니다. 죄송합니다.
Name. 이름. 이름. Where. 어디. 어디.
오하.
뭐. 뭐.
Who. 누구. 누구. Why.
라. 라.
Water.
Wood. Wood. Cooked rice.
Pat. Pat.
Kimchi.
김치. 김치.
Coffee.
커피. 커피.
Fruit.
과일. 과일.
House. 집. 집.
Room.
방. 방. Bed.
침대. 침대. Book.
Phone. It's on that. It's on that.
Today.
오늘. 오늘.
Tomorrow. 내일. 내일.
Yesterday.
어제. 어제.
Time. 시간. 시간. Now. 시간. 시간.
To go. 하다. 하다.
To come.
오다. 오다.
To eat.
먹다. 먹다.
To see/watch.
보다. 보다.
To do. Haba. Haba.
Great job today! You've just learned 30 powerful Korean vocabulary words that will help you in everyday conversations. Which word was your favorite? Head on over to the Hangul Chats Podcast to learn more. We'll get back to our program momentarily.